We've just arrived at Essex Car Meet. We had a lovely drive round. We've just had a quick look round. There are some amazing cars. Let's go and see what we can find. Look at this GTR. This is Roran's GTR and this is running over 1200 brake. And look at the carbon on this. Carbon bonnet, carbon bits here. Then look at the inside. It's got all carbon bits here where the dash bit is. And there's also a roll cage in there. Guys, I can't believe it, there's an SDO! I've seen this GTR many times. I can't get over how nice it is. Look at all the carbon, it's also wide body, look at it. We have 3 McLarens here. We've got a 600 LT, which looks stunning. We have a 570S, what looks gorgeous, and we've got another 570S, what looks amazing. We have 3 Lambos here. We've got a Gallardo in blue, we have a Performante in grey, and we even have a Lamborghini SDO. They don't make these anymore, an SL65. Believe it or not, this is a V12. I think this is my favourite car, a 600 LT McLaren. How nice is this? Second one of the day. This is Alex's C63. He's rebuilt the whole engine. It's also supercharged. It absolutely flies. This is a Challenge Stradale. These are pretty rare. It's so nice, but look at the engine inside of there. How is this road legal, this Ultimate RS? You don't see these often, the Clio V6. Check this out. We've got 3 Porsches here. We've got a GT4. And then we've got another GT4. Then behind me we have a Turbo S, and I love the gold wheels. Listen to this is a Challenge Stradale. We've just got back from Essex Car Meet and it's been a brilliant day. We got there a bit late, so unfortunately we didn't get all the cars. It really helps my channel if you could subscribe. Thanks for watching, I hope you liked the video. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.